Then this photoperiodic control. There are several plant species. They are exposed to a specific light duration. So that is photoperiodic control. It means, as we have studied, that there are three kinds of plants. That is the long day plant, short day plant, day neutral plant. So long day plant means the plants which require more duration of light. There is a long day plant. In short day plant, the duration of light can be less, and in day neutral plants means there is no effect of duration of light on growth of the plant. So for vegetative growth, additional light is given during dark phase. What happens that when there is a cloudy atmosphere, then the light intensity is reduced. So that affects the photoperiodism, particularly in the horticultural crops. So under greenhouse condition, day length can be increased by providing artificial light at night. So during night, particular lights are to be used with black polythene sheets during day. So this artificial lighting is important where the intensity is less, particularly in the western countries where the light intensity is very less. But in the Asian countries, there is no need of this artificial light because we have got sufficient light intensity throughout the year. Now, in a short day condition, means in the period where the light intensity is of less hours, then in that condition, fully automatic or semi-automatic or manual blackout system can be used. For that purpose, black polythene sheets we can use. Now, for increasing light, we can use different vapor lights. For example, sodium vapors, mercury vapors, incandescent or fluorescent vapors. There are different kinds of vapor lights. They can be used to control photoperiodism. Humidity also needs to be controlled in greenhouse. The relative humidity should be 50 to 80%. Remember that humidity is measured in percentage. There is no another unit. So why it is called relative humidity? Because this is calculated by comparing vapors, water vapors present in the atmosphere and temperature. So this can be controlled by air circulation, by using sprinklers, by using controlling evaporation through these systems and like that. Now the environmental conditions to be maintained in greenhouse. Remember these figures: climatic factors and optimum conditions. Now here in this case, the temperature during day should be 21 to 31 degrees centigrade, during night 15 to 18 degrees centigrade. It means if the temperature goes below this range, we have to use because oil burning. If the temperature goes beyond 31 degrees, we have to use cooling system. So this temperature is 28 to 31 is required almost in all crops. Relative humidity should be 60 to 70% and light intensity should be 21,500 to 86,100 lux. Now this can be changed as per the requirement of the particular crop. Now what is the use of this greenhouse? Cultivation of crops in greenhouse. Different crops can be grown in greenhouse. For example, vegetables are particularly grown. We can grow tomato, capsicum, chili, lettuce, broccoli, cucumber, different other vegetables can be used. Now remember that there is a particular term used to cultivate the vegetables out of its natural season. That is called forcing, Forcing. Means we are forcing the vegetables or flowers to grow out of their natural season, and for that purpose we are using greenhouse technology. Fruits also can be grown like strawberry, muskmelon. Actually, this muskmelon is not exactly fruit. Muskmelon is a fruit vegetable. Watermelon, muskmelon, brinjal, these are the fruit vegetables. We can grow flower crops like rose, gerbera, this carnation, lilium, etc. So this can be grown. Now cultivation of gerbera is now become famous in city areas. There is a good growing demand for this flower. It is used for decoration on large scale. So there are different names of this gerbera. It is also called Transvaal Daisy. It is also called Bar Veteran Daisy or African Daisy. This is only used for decoration. It has no particular aroma. So this is a commercial flower plant. There are different colors of gerbera: yellow color, orange, cream white, pink, brick red, and etc. As per the demand, the gerbera flower plants can be produced. So there are some bi-color flowers also are available, and these are having flowers. Gerbera flowers are having long stalks which are very thin, so they can be used in vase life. Means they can be kept for longer time in a flower pots. Mini gerberas are also there, different sizes and different colors are available. Now climate in greenhouse. If there is a bright sunshine, then there is a good growth of flowers. Quality of flowers are also good in that condition. So sufficient light is also required. So just we have studied that the optimum day and night temperatures will be 27 and 14 degrees centigrade respectively. This day temperature should be 27, night should be 15 degrees centigrade. This is the lowest limit. Then in case of soil, you have to maintain the fertility and productivity of soil. So there are two primary factors for selecting soil for gerbera. Here in this case, the soil pH should be between 5.5 to 6.5. This is actually acidic pH. As you have already studied during your last year study, almost all crops can be grown in the pH range of 6.5 to 7.5. But gerbera can be grown in this slight acidic soil condition. Then the salinity level should not be beyond this limit, otherwise there will be no proper growth. So soil should be porous, it should be well drained for easy penetration of roots. So this red lateritic soil is good for gerbera. We are considering gerbera only. So this will produce we know that lateritic soil has good ventilation, good drainage capacity, water holding capacity is less, porousness is more, fertility is moderate. So this condition is good for gerbera cultivation. Now for gerbera preparation of planting beds. Gerbera can be grown in raised beds. This is important for good drainage and easier movement of water. So what should be the size? Bed height 35 cm, width 70 to 80 cm, distance between the beds 30 cm or 1 feet. So these kinds of beds are to be prepared in greenhouse, and the soil should be porous, well drained. It should have some sand and it should be rich of organic manure that will improve soil texture. So gerbera requires these particular soil condition. Now this soil should be loose all the time. It should not be compact. Then it should be rich with FOIM. Then we can also add a single superphosphate 0:16:0, 2.5 kg per 100 square feet for good root developments. Magnesium sulfate also can be applied 0.5 kg at 100 square feet area. And if there is a deficiency of magnesium, we can also apply neem cake. So this neem cake is very important to control nematode infestation in the soil. Now sterilization is important to avoid these kinds of infestation in the soil. Particularly the soil media may be infected by phytophthora and other soil-borne diseases. So it is important to sterilize the soil by using steam, solar, or chemicals also can be used, like formalin. You might have seen formalin in your chemistry lab. This formalin can be used to sterilize soil at 7.5 to 10 liters. Can be mixed dissolved in water for 100 square meter area, and spraying can be done. Wet crop beds also can be sprayed by using formalin, and after spraying of formalin, the soil should be covered by black liquid sheet. This is important, otherwise whatever formalin has been applied, that will get evaporated. So this care is very important. While doing so, we have to wear masks, wear gloves and apron. And after 4 days of treatment, polythene should not be removed to 4 days. So marking can be done, and watering should not be given up to 4 to 5 days. Otherwise, whatever formalin you have applied, that will get washed. So after this formalin treatment, this treatment can be given in 3 cycles whenever necessary as per the soil condition. Now propagation of gerbera.